So today I'll be showing you how to manage several social media accounts on your multi-login platform. Alright, so here on my screen you can see I have two Facebook accounts, two Instagram accounts, three TikTok accounts, and two Reddit accounts. And you can manage all of them individually on your multi-login app without anyone interfering with each other. In fact, they act independently. And if you're wondering how you can manage several of your client accounts, then you can use the multi-login platform. And I'll be sharing how it works. So first things first, let's talk about how multi-login works. So here on the website, you can come here to read a lot about multi-login, look at the product and everything you can do with it, how to create a cloud phone that acts like an Android device on the cloud. All right. So you can come on the description of this video, you can find the link to this particular platform and then you can get started. Here on multi-login, you can create several social media accounts. You can use it for your cryptos. You can manage up to 50 several and different distinct accounts. Now, many times when you create accounts, it can get banned because you are managing two different accounts using the same IP address. But with multi-login, you can access or manage several social media accounts and of course on different browsers. All right, so you can click on start for free, but before you do that, you can come down on the website and learn more about it, look at what people are saying, and of course you can look at everything here. All right, read a lot about the website, and once you're done reading, you can start for free. You can click on this area where you find start free. Okay, so when you click on start for free, you're going to be directed to where you can create an account for completely free. In fact, you're just going to scroll down, and once you're here, you can see the free plan, the $7 plan, and the $57 plan. So if you're okay with the free version, you can proceed to the pro plan where you can have higher value or higher things in your account. So to start for free, you can click on start for free on this area, and then like I mentioned, if you love the free plan, it's actually free, you can go over to the paid plan. And definitely you can create an account here by putting your email, password, and repeat password. Check the description of this video, you're going to find a video I've made about how to create an account, download it, install the multi-login platform, download the app, and also create your first cloud phone. You can also download the app on this area. Okay, so once you're done with the downloads, all you have to do is to quickly come here to login. All right, so when you click on login, you can now access your platform, and then if you have the app on your computer, this is what it looks like. Okay, so I've already made a video about how to create a cloud phone on the multi-login platform. All right, but on this video I will show how you can manage several social media accounts on the multi-login platform. So go to the description of this video and you're going to find the video I've made about how to create a cloud phone. It is practically very simple and easy. All you do is click on create, and you can create as much cloud phones as possible. And on those cloud phones, you can have any social media account that you want. So let's start from Reddit today. Now, definitely once you have subscribed, you have some 75 minutes. And of course, if you buy the bigger version, you have more minutes. So I'm going to show you how the cloud phone works. So I've made two Reddit accounts which I'll be showing you with. So I'm going to load the first one, and once you click on this play button, it means you want to activate that particular account. All right, so once you click on it, you can open several of your social media accounts at the same time. You can see what they're doing, you can manage posts, of course create as much client account as you want. So now it's connected. Now all you have to do, you can see it works exactly like an Android device. I have already downloaded Reddit account on this phone. Then you can click on apps. So you can come here, let's say you want to use TikTok, type any app you want to enter, any app you want to download, and then you can install them individually. Anyone you want to manage, they have their own app store, and the app store is located here. Like I mentioned, here is my Reddit account I have already downloaded. With this Reddit account, you can create a new account if you don't have one, or if you have an already existing account, you can just log in. So you can come here, install all or any of the social media apps that you want. So let's get straight to TikTok. So I'm going to close down this by clicking on this area. If you want to stop running the phone, you can click on stop this phone. Okay, so here are 3 TikTok accounts I already have on my profile. So which means I can load this one, and also load this one. Now once you open the 3 of them at once, you can have 3 different TikTok accounts on your screen with 3 different profiles, which means you can manage 3 different client accounts at the same time. All right, but bear in mind that once you're doing this, your minutes are reading, so that's why it's advisable you pay for the higher plan and enjoy the the assets. You can see 3 different accounts are now on my screen. Now since there are 3 different accounts, you can log in on the 3 of them and access the 3 of them just the way you like. So apart from those 3 accounts, you can manage different accounts of TikTok, and all of them can act independently, all right, without getting banned. And of course, you are going to have it as if you are operating on different browsers entirely. All right, now to create any account, you can come and click here to create, and I've made a video about how you can create a CloudPhone. Check the description of this video where you find how you can do that. Now let's talk about the pricing. All right, so on this area where you find pricing on the multi-login page, you can just click on it, and then you can scroll down to see the different prices and plans that they have. You can see the free plan, the pro plan, and the business plan. So you can start with the free plan, and of course you can only have 5 profiles. Then you can see 50 profiles is going to cost $19. Also you can create 100 profiles, and this is going to cost $26 on the pro plan. So you can have as much as 100 profiles on the pro plan. Now on the business plan, you can see you can have as much as 300 different profiles, and you can even create more. Okay, you can even create more. So what you have to do is that the more you customize the particular plan you want, the more price and the more cost for you. So you can choose any plan that you want, and you can click on choose plan. Then once you click on choose plan, you'll be directed to where you can actually make your payment. And of course you can do it by putting in your email. Choose the account type, either the personal or the business one you want. Choose the country you want to be paying from, or the country where you want to operate from. Okay, and then you can see your bills and how much it's going to cost. You can start from the pro plan. Okay, you can select a payment method. Then my promo code is going to be on the screen, where you can just put in my promo code, and then you can click on pay now. You'll be able to pay for your plan, and that's how you get access to the multi-login dashboard. And then you can find your minutes on this area and how much time you can spend creating different social media accounts. Now come on the comments area to let me know how far you've used this particular profile and if you are enjoying it. For now, I'll see you on another one, guys. Do have a very wonderful day.